filming.
You obviously know why I'm out here. How you doing? You want to talk to you? Stay out the street.
Is there any reason you feel like you have to come and give instructions?
I'm sorry?
Is there any reason why you have to come and give instructions?
I got a call for service, so I'm telling your guy to stay out of the streets. What I'm doing.
So that's what you do? You keep people out of the
Tell me
street?
what to do out of the street.
You don't even fucking tell me what to do.
Okay. Well, I did. So I told you to stay out of the street.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay.
Are we breaking the law?
Not right now. You're not.
Then you're dismissed.
I'm not going to go anywhere.
Well, neither are we.
Okay. We'll sit here and film each other.
All right, let's see how long it takes for you to walk away.
Don't stand behind me. I might take you. Don't stand behind me. Don't stand behind me.
Don't touch me.
Don't stand
Don't
behind me
fucking
again.
touch me.
Don't stand
Don't
behind me.
fucking touch me.
Okay. You can yell and curse all you want.
Okay, well, don't
You
fucking
don't have the
touch me.
right to put hands on people, you fucking coward, man. Back up. Why don't you back up and stop being a
I'm
bully?
doing my job.
Why don't you back up and stop being the bully that you are?
If you stand behind me again and
Am
surround me, I
being
will
detained?
arrest you.
I'm going
Yeah,
that
you
way.
can't stop
Do
him
not
from
stand
walking.
behind me.
That way.
Do
I'm
you
going
understand
that
what I'm
way.
telling you?
I'm going that way,
Okay,
dude.
then walk that way.
Fuck. Don't tell me what to do.
Why are you such a coward, man? You're the one with all the weapons.
How am I a coward?
You're the one recording with a gun and a taser and everything. So what's your problem?
There's no problem. You know why we're here. You guys
Yeah,
got
well,
us to
you
come
come
here,
up
so now
all
we're
up in our
here.
face trying to antagonize us and intimidate
not
us, but
true.
it's not going to work, man. You could try all you want, dude, but that bully shit doesn't work anymore.
Okay.
You got to remember that.
Okay.
You use this as a training video to let your officers know that bullying the fucking public is not allowed, man.
Okay.
We don't put up with that shit.
Okay.
So
Anything
fuck
else?
off. No, that's it, man. You're dismissed. I
I'm
already
not
told
going
you
anywhere.
You're dismissed.
I'm not
You're the
going
one
anywhere.
that chooses to stay here.
No.
So you choose to be on the film.
Okay.
You choose to
You're getting filmed
participate.
as well, sir.
You're choosing to be here.
Okay. Stay away from my officers. He's trying to. He's going to
That's
try
right.
to walk
What's your name
behind
and
you.
badge
If he does,
number?
he's
T.
been warned
Gomez.
not
What's
to
your
get
badge
behind
number,
us.
T. Gomez? What's your badge number, sir? Look, man, I'm trying to be respectful to you, man.
Okay. I'm
What's your
trying
badge
to be respectful
number?
for you. It's my badge number?
Yeah.
It's right there on my badge.
Okay, well, just tell it to me, because I'm not looking at your badge. I'm looking at you.
Okay. You need to stay out of the street. I already told you once.
Oh man, why, dude? Why do you need to pick on people for? I don't get it. Why are you in threat? Because he's walking in the street.
Trying to, you guys
The
make your
streets
point.
are
You're
blocked
here. You
off.
got us
Actually,
focused.
there's no cars passing
You got
through,
us-
so
you
there's
got
no
us called
safety
here. We're
issue,
here.
man.
What else do you guys want?
What else do you
We're
want?
not
You came up
harassing
on
you
me,
guys.
man. I
Okay,
didn't
I'm
ask you
not
for
talking to you.
anything.
I'm not
Why don't
harassing
you
you.
go away, man?
I'm not going to go
Why
away.
don't you go
You got
away?
us here, now we're here. What would you
Well,
like
what
to
do you
talk
want?
about?
I don't understand why you're here.
The same thing you want. What
For
do you
what?
want?
What do I want? I was
want-
actually filming them cleaning up the street right here.
That's
What do
not
you
what
want?
you were filming.
What do you want? What do you want?
What would you like to happen
What do
here?
you want, man? What do you want? I want you to get the fuck out of here, man. Get out of my face. I didn't ask for your service. There's no reason for you to be talking to me. I haven't broken the law. You obviously
else-
know that.
I know somebody
You
else
know
asked for
that
my
I have
service.
not broken the law, so there's no reason for you to be here, sir.
Okay.
There is no reason for you to be here except for you causing a disturbance at this point and making people upset. That's all you're good for. Yeah, okay, you accept that?
No, you guys are wasting police services.
No, I'm not. You're here, you called for backup, right?
Anything else?
You called for backup,
602
right?
nothing?
You're the one that cowered up and called for backup. You could have done this by yourself, man. But no, you're fearing for somebody walking in the street. That's what you do.
Okay.
You
Anything
fear for
else?
somebody's life, for somebody walking
stay
in
out
the
of the
street.
street.
Stay
Have a
off the
good day.
street. Stay off the street. Yeah, just wait till your kids get treated like this, man, by a police officer that doesn't know who you are. Get your kids and throws them in the back, in a little jail box in the back of your car. See how you like it, man.
All right, anything else, gentlemen?
No, we didn't ask you for anything in the first place, so fuck off, man. Kick rocks. Kick rocks, man. Start walking. Hey, what the fuck you doing? What's this guy doing? Yeah, they want to stop us. They want to antagonize and interrogate us.
Don't be stupid. Like,
Later. Kick rocks, man. Like I said you would. There's a lot of them for you to kick on the way out. Sorry for the shaky video, guys. I don't have my rig today, so I'm trying to hold my shaky camera in my hand. There he goes. D. Gomez, guys. Never gave me his badge number. The call was on Wilson and Walnut. Ask him for his badge number. See if he gives it to you. Later. 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 Alright, so that officer definitely grabbed Whittier watch by the arm and tried to push him back to the side. For no reason. There was no reason for him to be near us anyways. He approached us. All we were trying to do is just stand here and film. We're not bothering anybody. We haven't talked to anyone. These cowards, these guys called the cops on us for no reason. These people right here, I'm gonna put the address too. Where's the address at? You guys are on the internet for calling the cops on the people in the public. These guys call the cops on us. This little crybaby right here, this guy right here, that one, he called the cops on us because he doesn't like people filming in public. Fucking crybaby. What a crybaby. Unbelievable. 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 Unbelievable, sir. Can't believe you're such a scary cat. You call the police for somebody filming out in public. You should be ashamed of yourself. Your people should be ashamed of you for being a coward.
It's great. The glasses. Yeah.
Coward.